Hi, this is Adrienne, and this is today's 2-minute vocal tip. So here's one you can do not only at home, but you can also do in the car. You can even do it backstage. You can do it on public transportation. This one is a mostly closed mouth exercise. It's just sliding around on N, the letter N. Again, you want to feel buzz in your face. Think about that idea of a spinner going and your voice coming up the front of your face, not coming back. There, I have a lot of space in the back, and that doesn't work. You might even start with a little bit of a vocal fry. All right, so that's the idea. Let's run a few of these. I'm gonna start right there. Cool, I'll stop there. So as you do those, again, as always, make sure that your airflow is consistent. If you feel some wobbles, that means you need more air. Think about a little velocity out your face. So yeah, you can do that one when you're just sitting there riding the bus or the train to work. It doesn't have to be loud to get you a good little warm-up, to just keep your voice kind of always ready to go. All right, let's wrap it here. I will see you on the next one.